All right, and this is a update for the camera switcher. And basically what we're doing here is grabbing all of our cameras and putting them into a switch here. And this switch is a special switch. It has a Python code that it's going to read the bookmarks that we set for each one of these cameras that it's here from start frame to end frame, and then it's going to automatically switch the camera. However, we have to name all these cameras the same. So then that way we can preview it here in the camera preview, which is just going to read that same camera name. So if we take a look at how that looks, it looks like this. All right. So it's going to switch in between all these bookmarks. And let's say we wanted to change the bookmark, we just hold Control and Shift, and then we can move it here and then move this one here. And we start shifting everything over, right? Now everything should still match, it should still cut. However, the keyframes are not getting updated. So there's like another kind of helper buttons here that I set up, the start, middle, and end. So in camera one is okay because it's overlapping here. Camera two starts off too late. So we can put start and then it'll shift the keyframes, and you select this one. It'll shift the keyframes there. And then we'll shift the last one here. And we could, if you have a little bit more padding, so if it's a little bit bigger like this, you can do the start and then it'll push it. Or we could do the middle frame and it'll do the middle of the frame range or the end. So if we play it back, now we got our setup here working good. And then as we're editing, we may have our ROPs here, USD ROPs or render ROPs that also need frame ranges. So this one, since we changed it here, right now is 1 to 150, and we changed it and now it's 1 to 127. Here's another button you can click on, which updates the ROPs to the bookmarks, how we have it set here. So then we just put update, and then now it goes 1 through 128. Same thing with this one here, update. It updates the frame range. And then we could also select all of these. Right now, they don't have any. So we'll select all three, update ROPs to bookmarks, and then now everything is updated. And what's great is that now we can just preview this and we'll put the frame here. We end at 218. And now the preview is going to create those MP4s much faster than before. Our preview done. So here's the preview. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it when it comes out. And it's been really helpful for me to create animatics and just kind of quickly go through shots and render them. All right, thanks.